Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook pork liver with onions. A lot of onions, okay? So this one is, we need salt, soy sauce, oyster sauce, black pepper or peppercorn, and then water, the liver, garlic, and onion. On the liver I marinated with a little soy sauce and black pepper. Okay guys, we'll be right back in a few minutes. Okay guys, so it's already maybe 90% cooked, so we're gonna get this one. Iset aside siya na itong atay niya. Dayon, ito na nigisaw ng mga lamas, guys. Okay. Okay, so take the garlic first. Some onions, okay. Liver, guys. Okay, pepper, soy sauce, and then the oyster sauce, guys. Okay guys, and then we're gonna add okay, for how many minutes? We got, look at our liver with onions is done. It's super yummy guys. Okay, and then I'm gonna garnish with this one. Okay, time. I just want to taste a little, guys. Just, but not overcook, okay? It's yummy, guys. That's our liver with onions. Liver with onions, pork liver with onions. It's super yummy. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow for another recipe. Bye bye.